Now that you've got your paper clip open, pencil, ruler, what you're going to do is flip your skimmer over. Remember, you've got this should be 1/8 of an inch, I believe. And so what you're going to do, I'd make sure these are a little okay. And our ruler, we've got it so it's about 5 inches it should be. So we're gonna split the difference, so about 2.5. And now we're gonna split the difference again. And if I'm going left to right, measuring just the inside, it's 1.5. So I'm gonna put a dot there. Now what you're going to do is open your paper clip. Be careful. I broke them opening them, so be very, very careful, and I would make sure they're not super cold. And what you're going to do is poke it through with your paper clip.